I rub it because germs is not good enough. Germs is not good. So rub it with lemon and make sure it's all the bacteria out of this. Right? Anybody can do it like me. I'm a tough Jamaican man, okay? I'm a tough Jamaican man. So this is the grill. Throw it apart into the garbage. Throw it apart into the garbage. It's a yeah. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire what?
Burning.
Burning. More fire. Yeah, with lemon. More fire with lemon. Yep. Make sure the lemon soak.
You just put your hand in fire, huh?
Yeah.
Just like that. Okay.
Yep. It's my life with this. Yeah, Papa George on the grill. Right? Tell him to chill. Papa George on the grill. Right? So, this is the grill part, just a start up now. See fire will keep on burning. Yeah, keep on burning. Make sure the coal burn first. You cannot put the chicken with this kind of coal because it will give the chicken a bad moisture to it. So, you gotta make it burn out first. Right? You got Papa George again on the grill. You better stay still. Alright. Peace.
So tell us about the seasoning that you put in your jerk chicken.
The season is a Boston jerk sauce. Boston jerk sauce.
Boston jerk sauce.
Yeah, and then you get you onion, garlic, right?
Right.
With the jerk sauce, and you blend up all of that together.
Okay, and it looks a little something like this here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful color. Beautiful color. Like a gold kind of color it gives you when you finish with it. You know? Anything go down in the stomach is supposed to be looking good, right?
Right.
Right. So, yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. You gotta keep on turning it. You want both sides to cook.
And you just turn it this constantly, correct?
Yeah, constantly.
Until it gets to you know it's done.
Yeah, until most of it's done.
Okay.
You know, this is the jerk chicken, the real Boston jerk chicken, right?
Right, not that fake stuff y'all buy in restaurants.
No. Not the fake stuff. This is the real stuff.
The real deal.
The real deal. Yes, ma'am. When you eat it, you feel strong. Oh, man, your skin smell that already. Oh, my God. That thing's smelling good, boy. Okay, let's cover it down, let it get some steam up.
Nice view, Papa George. Love it.
Nice view. Beautiful. Oh, see, all the way down on this side?
Nah. Testing. Yeah, I just want to show it.
Oh, yeah, so this is the sauce. You know, so the sauce look kind of brownish, like of that brown flavor. You know, a lot of vegetable in this. So what you do, you just take them, touch it one by one around, you know. Let me see all the sauce from all the chicken. You don't just throw it on like that. You gotta just...
You have to like
have
a labor of love.
Yeah, labor of love. Just patting down with a little sauce all around. Yes.
So what Papa George did was we've been out here for an hour having a great time, listening to nice music and toasting each other. And we've been out here, you'll say an hour, you've been flipping it back and forth and tasting, doing a little taste test?
It's about an hour with the here chilling, you know, because you got to be a chicken cook properly, you know, slow. You can't rush the chicken because you don't want to burn it, you know. When you burn it, it's not going to taste good. So, you can just take your time and do it and cover it now and then, you know, turn it around. Get two sides, you know. Got that sauce. got that sauce, right?
Right, it is so delicious. So we just been enjoying ourselves, relaxing, talking, whatever it is you like to do while you grill. Read a book, listen to some music, put your headphones on, write in your journal. You know, it's a labor of love, right, Papa George?
Of course, absolutely. Especially at a time like now, everybody want to eat and talk with each other because a lot of times they don't have the time to really talk to people too much like this. So when the people get together, they talk on a lot of conscious things, positive stuff. Yeah, because we don't deal with negativity. So what I'm doing? Eating. I deal with eating, cooking, and that will make you feel good because you gotta eat, man. Oh, this kind of look like the
So what are your plans for Thanksgiving?
My plans is right here, sweetheart. Plans right here with you, chilling. For some chicken and stuff. Yep.
All right.
It is what it is.
So here's how it looks. Flipping it back and forth about an hour. Charcoal kind of burnt out. And Papa George is using his special sauce to just perfect it. All right.